Anyone can say their boat is the best. Doesn't make it true. So before you pull the trigger on your big purchase, ask yourself, is it actually built to perform or just built to sell? At Mastercraft, we back up every claim with proof. Behind the wheel, instant response. Doesn't matter if it's loaded up. People, ballast, gear, stack it to the max. You hit the throttle and it roars. No delays, no second guessing. Ever driven something that hesitates? Not here. How's visibility? Theirs, a blind takeoff. Ours, a clear view. Can your stern thruster spin a full 360 in under 30 seconds? No? And don't even get us started on tight turns at speed. Our boats give you the power and performance you need exactly when you need it. Speaking of performance, watch this. Perfected wakes, powerful waves. We were quite literally built for this. What we weren't built for? Wasting time. Thankfully, our ballast fills in just a few minutes. And our surf system, one touch and it's firing. No waiting, no tweaking, no almost there. Just clean, powerful, symmetrical waves. Left, right, mellow, steep, however you want it, whenever you want it. And behind our boats, no more of that whole falling out of the wave, fighting to stay in the pocket thing. You simply ride exactly how you're supposed to, effortlessly. In the boat, it's all about comfort. Makes sense, right? Go ahead and take a seat. Notice how everything feels. Words that come to mind should be plush, premium, cool to the touch. If not, you're in the wrong boat. Now, how's the fit? We focus on ergonomics that actually make sense. No awkward angles here. And storage, it shouldn't just be space, but smart space. Gear organized and easily accessible, boards racked up and out of the way. No digging, no shuffling, no pulling out 5 things just to get to one. Now go fast, turn hard, hit some double ups. Hear that? Exactly. No rattles, no creaks, just a solid, smooth ride no matter how hard you push it. That's the difference between built to last and built to sell. And if the build is this good, the tech better be too, because the best boats don't make you think. Adjust volume, speed, tabs, wave size, music, and more from one intuitive screen and Mastercraft MyDrive. Every setting, every feature. Exactly where you expect it. No scrolling through mindless menus, no guessing what button does what. Just quick, simple control. But a boat isn't just about the time you spend on the water. It's about the time you don't spend dealing with problems. Forget to power down the battery from the captain's seat? Do it from your couch. Need support? You've got the most elite, well-established dealer network in the game, backed by real-time telematics that keep an eye on your boat's vitals so everything runs exactly as it should. And the warranty? Ours is the best in the industry. At the end of the day, we're here to make the best damn boats on the water. The ones that work, the ones that last, the ones that let you focus on the ride, not the settings. So, can your boat do this? The answer says it all.